guys, I'm Tyler and we're gonna make a tomahawk. Okay guys, before we start, this is a 24-ounce ball peen hammer I got from Harbor Freight. We'll see what kind of steel it is here in a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this handle off and knock this centerpiece out, and then I'm gonna go over to the welder and weld a handle on this because I don't have really good tongs. I'm kind of limited on tools here, but we'll see how it goes. So we got this welded up. Now, this video really isn't a tutorial, but you could use a set of tongs. I'm just lazy, so here we go. All right, we're ready. We're gonna start by trying to drip this hole out. We're drifting it from both sides to make it even because my hardy hole is only so big. Alright guys, we got the socket drifted. We're going to go to hammering out the plate. Quack, 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 quack. No. Oh man. So much for the handle. Since the chisel head's about done, we're working on the spike. Pizza time. Like after we did some actually pretty extensive grinding on it, but looking like a tomahawk. Next up is heat treating. See you then. So we're gonna go ahead and heat it up and quench it. Just going to use some canola oil, heat it up till it's red hot, and quench it in there, and then when we're done, we're going to take it and throw it in the oven for 2 hours at 400 degrees, and should be pretty much done then. Okay, so we got it all heat treated up and kind of somewhat polished. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the socket out, or clean it up a little bit so we can get it fitted to a handle. Okay, we got the socket all cleaned up. Should be good. Should make it work anyways. We're gonna I gotta go out. I'll probably spare you guys the boringness, but I got to go out and turn this into a handle that's going to fit on here. I went down to the local hardware store and bought this axe handle. It's like $10 or something. So should serve the purpose. So that's what I'm going to do next. Got the handle on, looks good. Just need to finish sanding it up. That's what we're going to do now. Alright, so we burnt the handle a little bit, sanded it. Looks pretty good. Oh, looks good. I like it. Gonna go ahead and finish it up, and we should have something functional that we can be using to chop some stuff up with. Hey Jute, what are you doing? You ready to go make a video?
Yeah, I'm just seeing how sharp this tomahawk is. Look at that.
You actually shaved with the tomahawk?
I got a nice clean shave going. We're ready to go smash some stuff.
Sounds good to me. Hey guys, time for tomahawk destruction. Taco chopping. It actually cuts it. Next. Okay, so after our Tomahawk demolition derby we had out there, we ran into a few problems. The Tomahawk head actually really surprised me. I was a little worried about the steel from the Harbor Freight ball peen, but I mean, it never even rolled the whole time. I mean, it held up really well. Really surprised me. But the handle didn't hold up, which I should have known better. But that's an easy enough fix, so that's what we're going to do. If y'all like the video, like and subscribe to our channel, and we're hoping we're going to do some more fun stuff and whatnot. But like I said, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ow.
Just straightforward.
Oh,
There! Woo!
look at
Jute
that.
did it.